Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to create a coming soon page in Shopify. So the first thing you'll have to do is open up your Shopify right here, and then you will have to navigate to your online store. From online store, you want to go ahead and go to preferences right here, scroll down and look for password protection. So the people who have this password will only get a access to the page that you're making. So next is you'll have to search for Pagefly right here and go to the app section. Once you have installed it and you have the Pagefly page builder, basically you will have to go to pages in the apps right here and then create from template. And you want to go ahead and choose password right here, and then you'll be able to create one here, and you will be able to lay out your password page, which will be your coming soon page here basically. So it's just that simple to make a coming soon page, and you will have to customize it yourself. I'm just showing you how it would look like if you want to make a page, or not even just a coming soon page. You can customize this into any type of other page, such as like we are preparing for a brand new store or something like that. So there you go guys, that is how you actually make a coming soon page in Shopify. You will just have to use the password options in your preferences and use Pagefly page editor for everything else. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.